How does your solution improve oral health and overall health? And as much as you can quantify the outcomes your solution drives as possible too.
My name is Florian. I'm the founder and CEO of VideaHealth. Prior, I was actually in medical school and founded several other companies and then launched this company with the goal to improve overall healthcare globally. So how do we do this? We are the leading dental AI company to support clinicians in diagnosing and treatment planning 2D dental x-rays. So that is the standard diagnostic procedure. And what we've been seeing is that patients with our AI that get diagnosed and treatment planned with our AI versus without our AI get the right treatment much earlier. So we diagnose up to 5 years decay earlier than the clinician alone, as well as the patients trust the AI more, and thus they convert the treatment more. So we actually know that every second patient we diagnose and treatment plan, they get a much less invasive and less costly treatment much earlier rather than to delay treatment, which then increases cost. And also what you said, Maria, also increase the risk of hypertension, diabetes. And we are doing this in a significant scale. So we have over 40,000 dental clinicians using our platform now and process over 30 million patients per year. So we hope that we actually help over 50 million patients, so to say, every year right now to get a less invasive oral disease. And then also with that, systemic health issues around hypertension, diabetes, etc.
We are really looking to find the solutions that are built to scale and that would have that transformative impact. So when your solution is at scale, it's widely adopted at scale, what's the impact you would see on patients, care teams, education, and or payers? Some of these segments may not be part of your customer group, but we're making this harder now. It's only 60 seconds. And so what is the impact? What is the change you would enable in the ecosystem for any of those segments when your solution is widely adopted?
I've been working in healthcare all my life, and before in breast cancer detection, etc. And the crazy fact is that dentistry, the majority of big treatments are actually preventable. Cancer is not, but a lot of dental treatments is preventable. And what we are working on is that we support the clinicians to identify treatment early and get the treatment done early. And so that will result in two big things. Number one, the high risk and high dollar procedures like crowns, implants will go down, and we can take much more preventative care. That's important. Number two is also the downstream overall health costs, hypertension, diabetes, they will significantly reduce. And so we're super excited about that. So we will have an impact, not just on oral health, but also on overall health at scale. And the great news is that we are already at scale. We have tens of thousands of dentists using our platform every day and tens of millions of patients who benefit from it. And we are seeing this actually now already in the data that the high invasive treatments go down and the lower go up. And I think that's great news for all of us.
What is the one thing that you need to reach that exponential impact in your organization? Or what is the one ask you have from our audience? You can't answer both questions. It needs to be one sentence or one word.
I think for all of us also on the call is market education. Many people think it's the expert versus the AI, but it's actually the expert, the clinician with the AI provides better care than a dentist without AI. And I think that's why AI in breast cancer actually failed or had slow adoption. And I really want to avoid that in dentistry. So educating everyone, it's not a threat, it's a benefit and makes your job easier.